This is the moment a police vehicle was engulfed in an ash cloud following a volcanic eruption. It happened in Central America after Guatemala's volcano of fire erupted, killing many in its path. This video was shot by a police officer from inside the vehicle while driving away from the cloud. Motorists flee the scene, along with pedestrians trying to outrun the oncoming ash. Rescuers are struggling to reach residents living in rural areas who were cut off by the natural disaster. Thousands have been displaced while waiting for news of loved ones. According to officials, rescuers have recovered at least 62 bodies since the volcano of fire erupted. Only about a dozen of them have been identified. Officials warned that number could rise as they continue to respond to the devastating geological event. I'm Kelly Nealon for InsideEdition.com.